Time for a cuppa. Sorry about the mess. We just moved into our first home thanks to shared ownership with legal and general affordable homes. When I told Mum about the move, she thought it meant we were sharing with strangers. No, Mum. Shared ownership is a government-backed scheme which has been around since the 1970s. It means you part buy and part rent. We were curious how that worked out too. Basically, you pay a mortgage on a share of a property you own, usually 25 to 75%. And then you pay a discounted rent on the remainder you don't own. Obviously, we still pay bills and such. But all in all, this can work out cheaper than renting. Plus, you get your foot on the property ladder. Happy days. As for the deposit, we were able to pay just 5% of our property share, which for us was less than £5,000. That's not so scary, eh? I mean, everybody's different. But for us, we were able to afford our own place without even realising it. Sugar. So, in a nutshell, with shared ownership, you can buy a home with a 25 to 75% share, typically. In most cases, you only need a 5% deposit of the share. The golden rule is that you can't own another property. Your household income can't be more than £90,000 in London and £80,000 for the rest of the country. And you must demonstrate a good credit score. Plus, once we finally unpack the boxes and save up a bit more money, we might start to think about staircasing. That means we can eventually buy a bigger share of the property and then eventually own our home outright. No more rent. Mum also asked if we could paint the walls and put up shelves. Yeah, it's our home. I just need to pick the right shape. Shared ownership sort of makes sense? You can find out more info and the eligibility criteria on the Legal and General Affordable Homes website. But if you like a chat instead, the sales team are all ears.